So originally I was put in it because I was missing a class, but now I think that's definitely one of the best things that's happened to me. Ended up like falling in love with the program after being kind of forced into it and took it for the second year.
I've loved cooking. I've loved learning how to kind of run a business and stuff, how to cook all these different things, how to work with people, how to manage everything.
About 80% of people will work in hospitality at some point, and so it's an opportunity to get students a foot in the door and also like a foot up as well. So they already have the foundational knowledge needed to then be really successful. And there are plenty of students who also choose it as a career. They might go to culinary school or they just go straight into the industry, but it definitely lays the foundation upon which they can build.
We learn back of house, front of house, like the difference, all the different types of cooks, like the sous chef and the chef, and just kind of how like a restaurant works, like the system in it.
I think a lot of students need an outlet. There's so much pressure on them, on high school students, and they need something that gets them up and moving, it gets them excited. It's a way for them to be creative, maybe in not the traditional sense, but they still have that opportunity to experiment and kind of play a little bit.
And then now that I'm coming up through here, it's like, okay, this is actually could become a career choice.
I know I want to work like maybe in Vegas or somewhere in Europe. I want to go to Europe for trade school, and I have like a lot of big dreams, so I'm kind of excited about it.
I think my life would have been totally different had I not taken culinary, and I'm very glad that I did.